Here we go again. This weekend I found this on Facebook Marketplace. Of course I had to track it down and buy it first thing Monday morning. 93, 80,000 miles, 350 automatic Silverado. The truck was in California from 93 to 97. It's been in northern Arkansas from 97 to 2023. So rust-free truck. Got the old man written all over it. Got the camper shell, bug shield, factory size tires, rally wheels. Garage kept all its life, original paint. Grill's starting to peel like all of them do, but that's pretty much a factory option on these type of trucks. The interior is really cool. Got some a little bit of surface rust on the frame, but absolutely no body rust whatsoever. Original spare. Check out this interior. Factory bucket seats. I have cheated a little. I started doing this cleanup and I forgot to do the video, so these are all unfastened, but these seat covers been on these things since brand new. Look how clean those seats are. Console. Got the armrest. Got the old AutoZone. Factory floor mats with the cover over them. The rockers. That's dirt. Dash mat. Been on it since it's brand new. She's very clean. Got all the books. Service records. 94, 97, 98, 99. So 39,098. The oil change sticker that's in it now shows it's been drove 800 miles since 2018. There's a cassette deck. And guys, it's been years since I had one of these, but I know the factory radio comes on, but the no stereo sound comes out and the station won't change. I know you guys can help me out and tell me what I got to do to fix that. I know years ago that was a pretty common problem. There was something you could do to reset. Look at all those keys. We're gonna give it a good cleanup. Seat covers, bug shield, camper shell, all that's got to go. And then we're gonna make it look 100% original and then put it on the internet for sale again. So I'll keep you updated as we go. Thank you. Alright, we're back again. Kind of a halfway video. We killed the bug shield, killed the camper. Also on the inside, took the seat covers off and the big floor mats. You can tell these seats are immaculate. Carpet's clean too, been covered all its life. I also took the trailer brake box out and the little auto security system, Pro-O lock from the factory. So we did that. Got a spray in bed liner. Took the big old 6-pin trailer light plug out too, since we took the brake box out. As you can tell, it does have some superficial scratches from being 30 years old. I don't think it's ever been waxed, honestly. So we're going to take it in today to do a paint correction on it. Try to get most of these scratches out. See what we can make happen. Try to make it as nice as possible. And next video, it should be completed. We'll do the paint correction and touch up the interior and power wash the undercarriage, and it should be ready to market. Thank y'all. Got the 93 all finished up. Had it wet sanded and buffed, detailed underneath, inside. Got the camper shell off of it. Got it submitted to bring a trailer. It will be on there most likely the end of April. They said they were 3 to 4 weeks out. We got all the pictures to them and the videos and all that, so that's gonna look good. The frame actually cleaned up really nice. So all we did was just a steam pressure washing. I would recommend a coat of paint for the next owner, but I'm not gonna paint it so you can see what you're getting. It does have a few dents in the top of the cab that the PDR guy could probably work out, as well as a few in this bedside. You can kind of see them in the light there. All very minor. You can see that paint really shined up nicely. Once again, this is a 93, 80,000 miles, California / Arkansas truck. All original, all original. The only thing I see has been changed is the tires and possibly the muffler. I can't tell. I don't think it has been, but possibility it's been changed. A little bit of a stain there on the door panel that would probably clean up a little better. You can still see the grains in the steering wheel. That's what I like. And look at these pedals up under the dashes. You can tell it hadn't been flying up and down dirt roads. There's two ignition keys, 2 door keys, all the radio knobs. Still have all the paint on them. This cup holder is clean as a pin, console lid, all that kind of stuff. The only call on the inside is it's got a little scuff there in the headliner and a scuff there, and then the visors are starting to sag just a little bit, but once again it is original. Like I said, no rust in the cab corners. See if I can get up under here and show you the underneath. Just a super clean truck. Like I said, I'd probably throw a little Rust-Oleum on that, but that's up to the new owner. Doors just open and close, just no slamming. These tires are really good. They are date code 2012. There you go, 13, 12. But it's been inside. They're not cracked or dried out or anything. They're in really good shape. I don't know what these holes were. I'm sure coming from California, it probably had some form of alarm on it in its early life. But when I received it, it didn't have anything, so fluid levels are all good. Got the little crank out light, K and N filter charger. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you're interested in this truck, it will be on Bring a Trailer, and bid to your heart's content. This truck, I would think, would suit anybody. It's a really neat truck. Thank you.